Finally, the DJI Avata 3 has made its first public appearance. In this leak, we got a glimpse of the newest drone in the FPV lineup. It's likely to be one of the upcoming releases DJI is preparing for this year, and it could be the next one after the Mini 5 Pro. This next-generation FPV drone is expected to bring major improvements, and according to rumors, it will inherit advanced features from DJI's latest drones. After the success of the first Avata, and the improvements in the Avata 2, everything points to the Avata 3 being a major leap in design and performance. This new FPV drone promises to combine cinematic power with easy-to-use features, making it perfect for both professionals and beginners looking for a thrilling flight experience with ultra-immersive footage. The main change noticeable in this leak is the new design. The Avata 2 kept a visual style very similar to the first model, with minor aerodynamic and cooling improvements. But this image leaves no doubt, the Avata 3 brings a major shift in concept. It will feature a completely redesigned frame, thinner, lighter, and more aerodynamic, with a focus on reducing drag during high-speed flights, which improves both control and stability. Despite expectations for a more compact body, DJI is likely to keep the same propeller guard system, a trademark of the Avata line, ideal for flying indoors or in complex environments with obstacles. The Avata 3 is also expected to be lighter overall, which not only improves agility and control, but also makes it easier to transport and more portable. When it comes to image quality, the Avata 3 is expected to make a major leap, something that could attract even more content creators and FPV pilots focused on cinematic production. According to the leaks, the new version will likely ditch the Avata 2 sensor in favor of the new trend, a 1-inch sensor. This would be a significant upgrade, offering better performance in low-light environments, greater dynamic range, and sharper image capture, even in challenging conditions like sudden lighting changes. The camera is also expected to support 4K recording at 120 frames per second, enabling incredibly smooth slow-motion footage. It should come equipped with the D-Log M 10-bit color profile, providing much more flexibility for color grading in post. On top of that, the lens could offer a field of view of up to 170 degrees, further enhancing the immersive FPV flying experience, something many users have been asking for. Another highly anticipated feature for the Avata 3 is a more advanced obstacle detection and avoidance system. Currently, the Avata 2 only has a downward infrared sensor and a rear binocular optical system. But the new Avata is expected to include a front-facing detection system as well, likely powered by advanced AI processing. This would allow it to navigate safely and precisely through complex, narrow, and obstacle-filled environments. I wouldn't be surprised if DJI releases the Avata 3 with side and top sensors to provide 360-degree coverage. After all, this kind of system has been common in other DJI drones for a long time. Besides, my suspicion grew when I noticed they tried to hide some details with these stickers on the sides and top of the prototype. All signs point to DJI launching a new version of its signal transmission system alongside the Avata 3. This upgrade could extend the range to around 20 kilometers in open environments, with full HD transmission at 120 FPS, and latency as low as 24 milliseconds, which is crucial for FPV flights, especially during races or when flying through tight indoor spaces. Alongside the Avata 3, there's also a strong possibility that DJI will launch a new pair of goggles, featuring a refreshed design, lighter and more compact, with improved screen resolution and a higher refresh rate. In my opinion, DJI should take things even further and expand its market by releasing an ultra-compact headset, capable of simulating a 130-inch high-resolution virtual screen. It should be compatible with any device, from DJI controllers to gaming consoles, computers, smartphones, or basically anything with a video output or USB-C port. Some pilots are already using this kind of solution and getting great results. So DJI needs to move fast, because its competitors are ahead in this area, and they could quickly take over the FPV drone market if DJI doesn't catch up soon. One of the most critical points in any FPV drone is battery life, and DJI clearly hasn't overlooked that. The Avata 2 delivers around 23 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. For the upcoming Avata 3, the expectation is around 30 minutes of flight time, thanks to a series of improvements: a new intelligent battery with fast charging, a lighter and more aerodynamic drone body, a stronger and more efficient motor, and new 4-blade propellers that increase lift and reduce noise. The motion control was very well received by users, but it's been on the market for several years now. So it's quite likely that DJI will release an updated version. The new model is expected to feature improved transmission technology with a range of around 20 kilometers, along with a longer-lasting battery. The FPV Controller 3 is also expected to follow the same path and receive key upgrades to avoid becoming outdated. One of the most common complaints from Avata users is the difficulty of performing maintenance after crashes, which, in the FPV world, happens a lot. The Avata 3 could address this by introducing modular parts, such as arms, propeller guards, the camera, and other body components. This would make it much easier to swap parts or do quick repairs without having to send the drone to a service center. This change would make the drone way more practical for frequent pilots who want to get back in the air as quickly as possible. If nothing unexpected happens, the Avata 3 should hit the shelves by the end of this year. The Fly More combo, which includes the drone, motion controller, goggles, smart charger, and 3 batteries, is expected to cost around $1,200. The mid-range version, with the same items but only 1 battery, should be priced around $1,000. And the basic version, for those who already own the accessories, including just the drone and 1 battery, is likely to cost around $700. The launch is expected for the fall season in the Northern Hemisphere, between September and November, which is DJI's traditional window for major product reveals, aiming to hit the holiday shopping season. If all these rumors turn out to be true, the DJI Avata 3 is shaping up to be the most complete and powerful FPV drone the brand has ever released. It's designed to please everyone, from beginner pilots looking for a safe and fun flying experience, to professional content creators who demand top-tier quality and performance. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.